In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your IBAN number in the HSBC UK mobile banking app. Whether you need it for a transaction or just to have it on hand, finding your IBAN is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you have the HSBC UK mobile banking app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your main account overview, showing all your accounts at a glance. Now take a moment to select the specific account for which you need to find the IBAN. This is important because each account has its own unique IBAN. After selecting the account, look for the menu icon, which might appear as 3 dots, often found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it to reveal more options. You'll find yourself in a menu with various selections. Scroll down until you see the account details option. Tap on this and you'll be taken to a section that provides comprehensive details about your account. Here you'll find your IBAN displayed prominently. Alongside it, you'll also see your sort code, account number, and BI key, which can be handy if you need additional account information. If you need to share your IBAN with someone or use it for an online form, you can save time by using the app's copy feature. Simply tap on the copy option next to your IBAN and it will be copied to your phone's clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully located your IBAN number in the HSBC UK app. By following these simple steps, you can easily retrieve your IBAN whenever you need it, ensuring you're always prepared for any banking requirements. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick banking tutorials.